a brand new Chinese AI model just dropped. And it's free. And I'm not talking free like free trial for 7 days. I mean free API, free open weights. You can run it yourself for free. And the insane part, on some of the most important benchmarks in AI right now, it's beating GPT 5.5. It's beating Claude Opus 4.7. And it's doing it at zero cost. This thing is called Next N2 Pro. It came out of nowhere about a week ago. And if you use AI for coding or building agents, you need to know about this right now. My name's Fred. I run an AI-powered online course business. It's extremely high profit. My record is $5,000 cash collected in 48 hours. As someone who uses AI tools in my business every single day, I pay close attention to what's actually worth using versus what's just hype. So first, what actually is this thing? Next N2 Pro is made by a company called Next AGI, which is an open source alliance out of the Shanghai Innovation Institute in China. And I know what you're thinking, another Chinese AI model, but stick with me here because the numbers on this one are genuinely surprising. It's a mixture of experts model, which means it has 397 billion total parameters, but only 17 billion are active at any given time. That's how it stays efficient. It's built on top of Alibaba's current 3.5 architecture, so it's got a strong foundation to start from. And it was released on June 2nd, 2026, so this is brand new. The context window is 262,000 tokens. It accepts image input on top of text, and it supports function calling and structured outputs natively, which is exactly what you need if you're building anything agentic. Now, here's where it gets interesting, because these benchmark scores are not what you'd expect from something that costs you nothing. On SwiBench Verified, which tests real-world software engineering by having the model fix actual bugs in real open source repositories, Next N2 Pro scores 80.8%. That's not write me a to-do app stuff. That's fixing real code in messy real-world projects, and it's doing it better than a lot of closed paid models on Terminal Bench 2.1. which tests how well a model can actually operate in a terminal environment. As an agent, it scores 75.3. That puts it in the top 3 globally across all models, open or closed. And on SwiBench Pro, it's actually narrowly beating GPT 555. Not on everything, but on that specific benchmark, the free open source model is edging out one of the most expensive APIs in the world right now. Now look, I want to be honest with you here. These numbers are mostly self-reported by Next, so you have to take them with a small grain of salt. They're comparing against Claude Opus 4.7, which is not even the newest version anymore. But even accounting for all of that, the fact that a free open source model is even in the same conversation as GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus on coding benchmarks, that's a big deal. That simply wasn't happening 12 months ago. One thing I think is genuinely clever about this model is something they call adaptive thinking. So here's the problem with most reasoning models right now. They burn the same amount of thinking tokens regardless of how hard your question is. You ask it to add 2 numbers, it burns through 2,000 tokens of internal reasoning. You ask it to architect a complex distributed system, also 2,000 tokens, which means on easy tasks you're wasting compute, and on hard tasks you might not be thinking deeply enough. Next N2 Pro actually adjusts its reasoning depth dynamically, depending on how difficult the task is. Simple question, quick answer. Complex, multi-step problem, it thinks deeper. And they claim this cuts thinking token usage by 30 to 50% compared to always on reasoning models at equal or better quality. If that holds up in practice, that's a real engineering improvement, not just a marketing claim, because the cost of running large reasoning models is one of the biggest friction points for people building agents right now. So here's the practical side, because knowing it exists doesn't help you if you can't actually use it. The weights are available on Hugging Face under an Apache 2.0 license. That means you can download it, run it, fine-tune it, build on top of it commercially with very few restrictions. That's as open source gets. If you don't have the hardware to run a 397 billion parameter model locally, which, let's be honest, most people don't, you can access it through OpenRouter completely for free. It's listed as Next AGI Next N2 Pro with the free tag, and you call it like any other OpenRouter model with your API key. That's it. And because it's on OpenRouter, you can plug it into basically any agent framework or coding tool that accepts an OpenAI compatible API. We're talking Claude Code, Cursor, any custom agent setup you've got running. You just swap the base URL and the model string, and you're using a trillion parameter class model for free. 6 months ago, if you wanted to use a frontier level AI for serious coding or agent work, you were paying for it. GPT 5.5, Claude Opus, these are not cheap APIs. If you're running a lot of agent calls, that adds up fast. What's happening right now? And Nexen2 Pro is just the latest example of this, is that Chinese AI labs are basically open sourcing their way to global relevance. They know they're not going to win on the paid enterprise side with Western companies, so instead they're making everything free and open, and they're getting really good really fast. DeepSeek did it. Alibaba's Qwen series did it. Now NextAGI is doing it. And the result is that the gap between what you can get for free versus what you have to pay for is shrinking every single month. A year ago, free models were a tier below paid ones, no question. Right now, on specific tasks like agentic coding, the free options are genuinely competitive. That doesn't mean paid frontier models aren't still better on a lot of things. They are, but if you're building something where coding and agentic capabilities are what you need, and you don't have a big API budget, there's now a serious free option on the table that didn't exist a week ago. So if you're building with AI agents or you want to start Nexen2 Pro on OpenRouter is worth testing, grab your free API key, swap in the model string, and see how it performs for your specific use case. The benchmarks look good on paper, but the only test that actually matters is whether it works for what you're building.